Question number 51. Clerk paper. Question number 51. Square root of 2025. How much? 45. Next, 40% of 35. 14. 45 plus 14. 59. Next question number 52. 7 by 35 plus 8 by 7 plus 3 by 5. First priority 8 by 7 plus 3 by 5 or not? Okay. 5 8s are how much? 40. 7 3s are 21. 40 plus 21. 61. 61 by 35. Already 7 by 35. Both are adding. 68 by 35. Then answer 133 by 35. Next question number 53. First priority left hand side or not? 7% of 500. 35. 35 minus 6 or plus 6? Minus 6 plus 16 or not? 16 minus 6 10. 10 plus 35 45. 45 minus 8. What the answer? 37. Next question number 54. 31 into 7. 217 plus what is the difference between 180 and 121? 51 or not? Both are adding. 21 268. Next question number 55. First priority 32 divided by 4. 8 minus 29 4 times. 116. 116. 29 4 times how much? 116. 212 plus 1 102. 3 1 4 minus 80 or plus 80? Minus 80. First 14 minus 16 minus 2 or plus 2? Minus 2. Minus 2 plus 8 plus 6 or plus 6. Plus 6 means end with 6 or which option? Fourth option. Next question number 56. 75% of 64, that is 3/4 of 64 or not? What is the 3/4 of 64? 48. Bracket value 48 or not? 12 how many times? 4 times. 4 plus 76 80. That 80 equal to something plus 25 how many times? 11 times or not? Something plus 11. Then question mark value 69. Next question number 57. Square root of 1,444. 38. Cube root of 2197. 13 or not? 38 plus 13. 51 minus 24. 27. Left hand side we are getting 27. Right hand side already 63. Negative becomes positive. 27 plus 63. Answer 90. Next question number 58. 24 divided by 3. 8. 8 plus 18. 26 plus 367. 393 or not? 393 minus 25 7 times. 175. 13 minus 5. 8. 8 minus 7. 1. Answer end with 18. Which option? Fourth one. Next question number 59. 465 plus 85. 550 or not? 550 divided by 11. 50 times or not? Plus 87. Total it is 137 plus 40% of 150. 60. Total it is 197. Next question number 60. 37.5% means 3 by 8. 3 by 8 of 48. 8 how many times? 6 times. 6 3s are 18 plus 50% of 160. 80. 16 5s are 80. Positive 80, negative 80 cancel or not? What is the remaining? 140. 18 plus 140. 158. Next question number 61. 6 9s are how much? 54. 36 divided by 4. 9. 54 minus 9. 45. 8 9s are 72. 72 plus 148. 220 or not? 220 plus 45. 265. The 265 is subtracted from 1484 or not? end with 1 9. 1 9 means third option. Next question number 62. What is the 50 square? 2500. Square root of 4096. 64. 2500 and 100. What is the difference? 2400. 2400 plus 64. 2464. And already 95 square in right hand side. 9025. 9025. In this one we are subtracting 2064. Sorry, 2464. Out of 2500 we are subtracting 100. What is the remaining? 2400 plus 64. 5 minus 4 1. 12 minus 6 6. 89 minus 24. 89 minus 24. 6 5 6 1. 6 5 6 1. Which one square? 81 square. Or end with which one? 1. Possibility either 1 square or 9 square. Then answer 81 or 89? 81. Next 63. First one continuation division. 1296 divided by 36 means it is 36 square. 36 plus 156 divided by 12 13. 36 plus 13 49 divided by 7. How many times? Next question number 64. 16 how many times? 112. 7 times. 7 into 284. 7 into 200. 1400. 7 into 80. 560. Total it is 1960. 7 for the 28. Total it is 1988. Minus or the 45 square. 2025 plus 23 square. 529. Minus 25 plus 29 plus 400. 88 plus 4 92. End with 92. Which option? Third option. 65. Cube root of 5832. 18. Cube root of 4096. 16. 18 plus 16. 34. We required 34 square. What is the answer? 1156. Next question number 66. The respective ratio between the total number of boys and girls in a school A is 9:7 and the total number of students in the school A is 1296. 1296 it is the total students. Total students is how many parts? 16 parts. 16 parts are how much? 1296. Divide by 16 we are get the one part value. 16 how many times? 8 times. Again 1 time. That is one part value. First. And the total number of girls in the school B is 160 more than the which one? Girls in school A. First girls in school A how many parts? 7 parts. What is the one part value? 81. 7 parts value? 567. That 567 is the girls in college A or college B? College A. Compared to this one, how many members are more? 163 more. Total it is 730. That 730 is the girls in which one? College B or college A? College B. And the total number of boys in the school B is 40% more than the school girls in school B. But the girls in school B 730. Compared to this one, 40% more. 40% more. What is the question here? Total number of students in the school B. Already girls is how much percent? 100%. Girls are 100%. But boys compared to girls 40% more. Means boys will be 140. Girls already 100. Total it is 240%. Yes or no? Girls 100%. Boys are 140%. Total strength 240%. And 0 0 cancel. 10 parts is how much? 73. But we required 20, 240 and 240 means how many times we need? 24 times or 24 into 73. End with 2. Only one option. boys 100% means girls are 100% means boys are how much? 140%. Then total strength is 240%. Next question number 67. A boat can travel with a speed of 16 km per hour. The speed of the stream is given 7 km per hour. Find the difference between the time taken by the boat to travel upstream and downstream in the distance of 207 kilometers. What is the distance value? 207. 207 means it is 23 multiple and also 9 multiple. 23 how many times? 9 times or not? How many factors? 2 factors or not? Either 23 or 9. Okay. What is the downstream speed? Downstream speed 23. What is the upstream speed? 9 or not? Okay. If 207 is divided by 23, we are getting how many hours? 9 hours or not? If 207 divided by 9, we are getting how many hours? 23 hours. But we required difference in time or not? How many hours we are getting? 14 hours or not? 207 distance or time? Distance. 23. Downstream speed or upstream speed? Downstream speed. 9. Upstream speed or not? 207 divided by 23. We are getting how many hours? 9 hours. 207 is divided by 9. We are getting 23 hours. What is the difference? 14 hours or not? Next question number 68. A started a business with investment of 20,000. After few months later, B also joined with an investment of 16,000. At the end of the year, their profit share in the ratio of 5:3. Find the time period of B. First of all, what is the profit ratio are given? 5:3. What is the first one investment? 20,000. Second one 16,000. What is the investment ratio? 5:4. We know the profits ratio and we know the investment ratio. Obviously, we are get the timer. 5 by 5. 1. 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Then time are in which ratio? 4:3. First one total time are using, but second one after some months it will be joined or not. But the 4 parts is how many months? 12 months. Then 3 parts are 9 months or not. What is the answer? Find the time period of B. B how many months are used? 9 months or not? Question number 69. The speed of the boat in downstream is 12 km per hour more than its upstream speed. What is the downstream speed? M plus S. What is the upstream speed? M minus S. And M plus S compared to M minus S, how much value are more? 12 more. Means the difference between downstream speed and upstream speed is 12. Means we written M plus S and M minus S difference means it is 2S or not? 2S equal to 12 means S value 6 or not? S value 6. And speed of the boat in still water is 150% more than the which one? Speed of the stream. Already stream speed 6. 150% of 6 means 9 or not? What is the 150% of 6? 9. Means 9 more or 9? 9 more. 9 plus 6, 15. Means M value is how much? 15 or not? S value 6, M value 15. What is the question here? Total time taken by the boat to travel 84 kilometers downstream and 36 kilometers upstream. 84 kilometers downstream means 15 plus 6 are only 15. 15 plus 6. 84 by 21. How many hours? 4 hours. Next 36 kilometers upstream. What is the upstream speed? 9 or not? 36 by 9. 4 hours or not? What is the total time? 8 hours or not? Next question number 70. Venki lends 40,000 at the rate of interest 20% per annum for 2 years compounded annually. Then find the total interest earned by Venki at the end of the 2 years. We required only interest or not? 20% for 2 years. What is the compound interest? 44. 44% of certain principal or not? Already principal is how much? 40,000. 44 for the 176. Then answer fourth option or not? Fourth table kada. మళ్ళీ 11 మల్టిపుల్ చెక్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం ఉందా? 44 4 how much? 176. 2 zeros cancel, end with 2 zeros, 17,600. Next question number 71. Train A crosses a pole in 18 seconds at a speed of 72 km per hour, and train B crosses the platform in 40 seconds with a speed of 54 km per hour. The respective ratio between the length of train A and train B is 4:5. Then find the length of the platform. First, what is the train A length is how many parts? 4 parts. Train A length 4 parts. First, train passes a pole in how many seconds? 18 seconds with a speed of 72 km per hour. 4 parts is the distance or time? Distance. Length of the train means it is the distance value or not? Distance means we return speed into time. What is the speed of the first train? 72. Converted to meter per second. Into how many seconds? 18 seconds or not? 18 cancel or not? 4 how many times? 18 times or not? 18 5s are 90. Every one part is how much? 90. And what is the second train length is how many parts? 5 parts. One part are 90 means 5 parts are 450. That is second train length or not? But second train passes a platform in how many seconds? 40 seconds. When a train passes a platform means total distance are train length plus platform length. 450 plus platform length. That is distance value or not? It is also equal to speed into time or speed plus time? Speed into time. What is the second train speed? 54 km per hour multiplied by 5 by 18 meter per second into how many seconds are passes? 40 seconds or not? 18 how many times? 3 times. 3 5s are 15 into 40, 600. Out of 600, 450 already train length. Then platform length 150 or not? Next question number 72. A vessel contains water and milk in the ratio of which one? 2:3. Means milk is how many parts? Milk 3 parts, water 2 parts. Milk 3 parts, water 2 parts. Next, 16 liters of milk is adding or subtracting? Adding. Plus 16 or minus 16? Plus 16. 6 liters of the water is taken out. Means minus 6 or plus 6? Minus 6. After taken out water, the ratio of milk and water becomes 7:3. And it is already milk by water or not? That is equal to which ratio? 7/3. Cross multiplication, we are get the one part value or not? 3 into 3, 9 parts. 7 into 2, 14 parts. Difference 5 parts. 16 3s are 48. 7 6s are 42. Total it is 90 or not? 5 parts are 90. What is the one part value? 18 or not? What is the question here? Final quantity of milk. Final quantity of milk means 3 parts plus 16 or not? What is the one part? 18. 3 parts 54 plus 16. What is the answer? 70 or not? Next question number 73. A bag contains 4 pink balls, 5 yellow balls and 6 red balls and 7 white balls. One ball is drawn at random from the bag. What is the probability that the ball is either pink or white? First of all, total how many balls? 4 plus 6, 10. 5 plus 7, 12. Total 22 balls are. How many balls are picked? Only one or not? Then we return 22 C1. That one will be either pink or white. How many pink balls? 4. How many white? 7. Either 4C1 or 7C1 or not? Means 4C1 or 7C1. Numerator we are getting 11. Denominator 22 or not? 11 by 22. 1 by 2 or not? Next question number 74. The respective ratio between the length of a rectangle and side of a square is 4:3. Length of a rectangle is how many parts? 4 parts. Side of a square 3 parts or not? And breadth of a rectangle is 14 less than the which one? Length of a rectangle. Means breadth value is 4 parts minus 14 or not? Next, the difference between the area of a rectangle and area of a square is how much? 63. Area of a rectangle means 4 parts into 4 parts minus 14 or not? Next, area of a square means 3 parts square or not? Means that is 9 parts square. Difference equal to how much value? 63. What is the question here? Perimeter of a square. Okay. Required perimeter of a square. First of all, what is the side of a square? 3 parts. Perimeter of a square means 4a. 4 into 3. 12 or not? Then answer must be multiple of 12 or not? Before solving the question, first verify the 12 multiples or not. First option 12 multiple. No. Second option. Yes. Third option. More than one possibility or not? Okay. General procedure. 4 into 14. 16 parts square. And here already 9 parts square. Difference is 7 parts square. 4 into 14. 56. Minus 56 parts minus 63 equal to 0. Entire equation is divided by 700. Part square minus 8 parts minus 9 equal to 0. Product negative 9, sum is minus 8. Then one will be minus 9, another one plus 1. Initial roots, but final roots plus 9 minus 100. Then P equal to be written 900. If P value 9, but we required how many parts? 12 parts. 12 nines are 108. Question number 75. The average age of PQRS 5 years ago was 32. 2 years ago, the ratio between the PQRS was 11:18:21:20. Find the sum of the ages of Q and R after 6 years or not? After 6 years. First of all, 2 years ago, ratio are given or not? And 5 years ago, average are given or not? What is the 5 years ago average? 32. Then present average. 5 years ago average 32. Present average 37. Present average 37 means 2 years ago average 35 or not? Yes or no? 5 years back 32. At present 37. At present 37. 2 years back 35. That 35 is the how many persons average? 4 persons or 5 persons? 4 persons. 4 persons average are 35 means 4 persons sum are 140 or not? That 140 is the sum of the 4 persons how many years back? 2 years back. But 2 years back what was the ratio are given? 11, 18, 21 and 20. Total how many parts? 70 parts or not? Divide by 70, we are get the 1 part value or not? What is the 1 part value? 2. 1 part value 2. But we required sum of the ages of Q and R after how many years? 6 years. First we need to identify the 2 years ago sum of the ages of Q and R. Q is how many parts? 18. R is 21. 18 plus 21, 39. 1 part is 2 means 39 parts, 78 or not? That 78 is how many years back? 2 years back. 2 years ago sum was 78, but we required sum after 6 years or not? Means each one how many years are increased from the past to future? 8 years. 2 persons 16. 78 plus 16 or not? What is the answer? 94. Next question number 41. To 45. The given below table shows the 5 students gets marks in 5 different subjects in an examination in the year 2021. The maximum marks of each subject is 50 or not? Every subject maximum marks are how much? 50. And all are given in marks or percentage? Marks. Okay. What is the first one? Who among the 5 students get maximum marks in an examination? Which one are get maximum marks in the examination or not? Obviously D value or not? Because in D how many 50s are there? 3 50s. Except D remaining cases only 150 or not? In A only 150. In B also only 150. In C there is no 50. In E no 50 or not? Obviously compared to A comma B, D value is the maximum or not? Then answer D or not? Yes or no? Next question number 42. What is the difference between the average marks of B from the first 4 subjects in the examination and the average marks of E from the last 4 subjects in the examination are B first 4 subjects are and E last 4 subjects are E last 4 subjects. We required average difference or some difference. Average difference. First we need to identify the individual subjects difference are and 40 cancel are. Next 45 cancel are. 35 plus 50 85. 30 plus 40 70. What is the difference? 15. That 15 is the difference in marks or not? But we required average difference or not? How many subjects? 4. Divide by 4. What is the answer? 3.75. Next 43. What is the respective ratio between the sum of the first 3 subjects of E to the sum of last 3 subjects of D? E first 3 subjects. What is the E first 3 subjects? 40 plus 30, 70 plus 35, 105. 105 it is 7 multiple and also 15 multiple. First option possible? No. Second option? Maybe. 3:4 also possible. Next 14:11 also possible. 14:11 possible? No. 7:8? Maybe. Because 15 sevens are how much? 105. Suppose second value also divide by 15, we are get the ratio 7 something or not. 3 subjects of which one? D. What is the D last 3 subjects or first 3 subjects? Last 3. What is the sum value? 140 or not. What is the difference? 35. 35 3 times, 35 4 times or not. Which option? Third option or not. What percentage of the marks get A in the examination or not? We required A percentage or B percentage? A percent. First we need to add all the A marks or not? 30 plus 50, 80 plus 40, 120, 25 plus 45, 70, 120 plus 70, 190. That 190 is the sum of the marks in 5 subjects or not? Or the total marks in 5 subjects? 250 or not? 190 by 250 multiplied by 100. 0 cancel or not? Answer 19 multiple or not? Or 25 how many times? 4 times. 19 for the 76. Next question number 45. The total marks of E gets in the examination in all the subjects together is approximately what percent more or less than the total marks obtained by D in the examination? All the subjects are. E gets in all the subjects marks. 35 plus 40, 70 plus 75 plus 30, 105 plus 45, 150 plus 40, 190. E total marks 190. Next D 50 plus 30, 80 plus 40, 120 plus 50, 170 plus 50, 220. What is the ratio? 19:22. How many parts are less? 3 parts. 3 upon which one? 22 multiplied by 100. More than 10% or not? But less than 20% or not? Then answer 14 or not? More than 10% but less than 20%. But it is nearby 10% or nearby 20%? Nearby 10%. Next question number 46. Bar graph are given. The given bar graph total students boys and girls and total number of girls. Total students in the class 1. What is the class 1 total students? 200. In that boys is how many members? Boys are given or girls? Girls. Girls is how many members? 80. Girls are 80 means remaining 120 are boys. In class 2 total how many students? 160. In that girls 60. Remaining 100 are boys. Next class 3 total strength 120. In that girls are 70. Remaining 50 are not. Next class 4 total student 180. In that girls 60 or 65? 55. What is the remaining? 125 or not? 125. In between means it is considered 5 or 10. 5. Next, class 5. Total strength 140. Next, girls 90. Remaining 50 or not? What is the first question? What is the average number of boys in all the classes in the school? What is the total boys? 120 plus 100, 220 plus 50, 270 plus 50, 320 plus 125, 445 divide by 5 end with 9 or not? 89. 445 is the sum value, but average means divide by 5. Next question number 47. What is the ratio between the total number of boys in the classes 1 to 5 to the girls in the classes 3, 4, 5 or not? What are the boys in class 1? 120, class 2 100, class 5 50. Total it is 270 or not? 270. And girls in third class 70, fourth class 55, fifth class 90. Total it is 215 or not? One is 270, another one 215. 5 how many times? 54. 5 how many times? 43. Which option? Fifth option or not? Next question number 48. The average number of boys in the class third, fifth and sixth is how much? 80. Means that is 3 classes average or not? Average value 80 means sum is how much? 240. Out of 240 already we know third class and fifth class are not. But the third class value 50 and fifth class 50. Total 100 complete. Out of 240, 100 complete means sixth class boys is 140 or not? 140. And the number of girls in class 6 is 20% more than the girls in class 4. But the girls in class 4 55. 20% means 11. More means 66 or not? 66. What is the question here? Total strength or not? What is the total strength? 206. Next question number 49. The total number of girls in class 1 and 4th together is what percentage of the total number of students in that school? First class girls is how much? 80. Fourth class girls 55. Total it is 135. Is what percentage of total strength or not? Total strength means all the students are adding or subtracting? Adding. 160 plus 140 300. 120 plus 180 300. Total 600 plus 200. Total it is 800. 135 upon 800. Divide by 800 multiplied by 100. 2 zeros are cancelled. 8 almost. 8 ones are remaining 55. Almost 7 times or not? Then answer 17. What is the difference between the total number of boys in all the classes together, total girls in the school, all the classes together or not? Already we know the total boys value or not? Okay. Next, total girls 80 plus 60 plus 70, 210 plus 90, 300 plus 55, 355. What is the difference? 90 or not? Or individual differences also we are get the same answer or different answer? Same answer. Boys are 445, girls are 355. What is the difference value? 90. All the clerk questions are completed. Next, PO. Question number 47. Inequalities. What is the first one? X square minus 8x equal to 0. Then x values 0, comma 8 are 0 and 8. Y square minus 36y equal to 0. Then y equal to 0, comma 36 are possible. 0 compared to 0. Avasarama? 8 compared to 36. 0 compared to 0. 0 compared to 36. Less than or greater than? Less than. 8 compared to 0. Greater than or? Answer. No relation. What are the x values we are getting? 0, comma 8. What are the y values? 0, comma 36 are 8 compared to 0 and 8 compared to 36 are. Clarity? Question number 48. First equation, what are the initial roots? Negative. Final roots? Positive. Second equation, initial roots negative. Initial roots positive. Final roots negative. Then answer, x is greater than y. Next question number 49. X square minus 60x equal to 0. Then x square equal to 60x. X equal to 0, comma 60. X equal to how much? 0, comma 60. Second one, y square plus 30y equal to 0. Y square equal to minus 30y. Then y equal to 0, comma minus 30 or plus 30? Minus 30. And here also x 0, comma 60, y 0, comma minus 30 or not? Then answer, 60 compared to these two values greater, but 0 compared to minus 30 greater. Then answer, x is greater than y or not? No relation. X greater than or equal to y. ఒకసారి కీ ఏముందో చూడండి. x గ్రేటర్ దాన్ y, x గ్రేటర్ దాన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు. గ్రేటర్ దాన్ అంటే మనలాగే ఆలోచించారు వాళ్ళు కూడా. x ఈజ్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు y. 0 0 ఈక్వల్ ఆర్ నాట్? x square plus 24x plus 143 equal to 0. What is the first one product? 143. Some value 24. Minus 11, minus 13. Second one, product value 72, but some value 17. One is minus 8, another one minus 9. Okay. Negative 11 and negative 13 compared to negative 8 and negative 9. Less than or greater than? Less than. Next question number 51. X square plus 81x equal to 0. Then x equal to 0 minus 81. Y square equal to 36y. Then y equal to 0, comma 36. Okay. What is the answer? X less than or equal to y. Next 52. What is the first one product? 600. Sum is how much? 49. 25 into 24. One is minus 25, another one minus 24. Second one, what is the product value? 483. Sum value 44. Nothing but 21 into 23 or not? Minus 21 minus 23 or not? 483. It is nearby which one square? 22 square or not? Compared to 22 square, how much value are lesser? 1 less. Then we return 22 square minus 1 square or not? A minus b into a plus b. 600 also same or not? Okay. 600 means it is 24 square plus 24 or 25 square minus 25 or not? Okay. 25 square minus 25 means it is 24 into 25 times or not? Then answer, X is greater than or less than? Less than. X is less than Y. Next question number 71. There are three numbers PQR. Q is 40% more than the P, while R is 25% more than the Q. Their average is 83, and a new number S is 14 more than the Q. Find the average of P and S. And here P, Q, R are not. Suppose P I consider 20 parts. P value 20 parts. Q is 40% more than the which one? P. What is the 40% of 20? 800 means Q value 28. R is 25% more than the which one? Q. What is the 25% of 28? 7. 28 plus 7. 35. P 20 parts, Q 28, R 35. What is the sum of the parts? 83 parts. Sum of the parts is how much? 83 parts. What is the average value are given? 83. Sum will be 3 into 83 or not? 83 cancel. What is the one part value? 3. What is the question here? S is 14 more than the which one? Q. What is the Q value? 28 parts. 28 3 the 84 or not? Compared to 84, 14 more means S is how much? 98 or not? What is the question here? Average of P and S. P is how many parts? 20 parts. What is the 20 parts value? 60. 60 plus 98. Total it is 158. Average means divide by 2 or not? What is the answer? 79. Next question number 72. A boat travels 48 kilometers upstream and 162 kilometers downstream and takes 15 hours. And it takes 16 hours to cover a total distance. Boat travels 72 kilometers upstream and 126 kilometers downstream. Then find the speed of the boat in still water. 48 kilometers upstream. Then we return 48 by M minus SR. 48 kilometers with a speed of M minus S or M plus S? M minus S. And downstream how much distance are covered? 162 with a speed of M plus S. These two are adding, we are get the total time or not? What is the total time? 15 hours. That is first one. Second one, boat travels 72 kilometers upstream. 72 by M minus SR. And 126 kilometers downstream or upstream? Downstream. 126 by M plus S. These two are adding, we are get the total time 16 hours or not? Okay. In 48 and 72, what is the common factor of 48 and 72? 12 possible, 24 possible or not? But we are taken M minus S, less speed or more speed? Less speed. Means factor also less factor or more factor? Less factor. Then I consider 48 and 72 common factor are 8. M minus S value 8. M minus S value 8. And 162 and 126. What is the common factor? Both are in 18 multiples or not? Means M plus S equal to how much? 18 or not? Yes or no? First verification. 48 by 8 means how many hours? 6 hours. 162 by 18? 9 hours or not? 6 plus 9? 15. First one satisfied. What is the second one? 72 by 8? 9. 126 by 18? 7. 9 plus 7? 16 or not? Both the equations are satisfied or not? Then M plus S is how much? 18. M minus S value 8. Then M value, both are adding by 2 or subtracting by 2? Adding by 2. Then M is how much? 13 or not? Explanation లో ఇంతకంటే ఎక్కువ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయకండి. 8 ఎలా వచ్చింది, 18 ఎలా వచ్చింది? Because both are in factors or not? What is the common factor of 162 and 126? 18. 48 and 72? 8 or not? Next question number 73. P bought an article for how many rupees? 8,000, marked it up X% more than the cost price of an article and sold it to successive discounts of 20% and 40%. In this transaction, he had got a profit of 1600. Find the value of the X. What is the cost price are given? 8,000. In this transaction, what is the profit value? 1600. Profit or 1600 means selling price is 9,600. 9,600. CP 8,000. CP 8,000. Selling price are 9,600. Marked it up X% more than the which one? Cost price. Okay, means required relation between market price and cost price. First we need to identify the market price because already we know cost price value. Suppose market price value we are consider 100%. Out of 100%, what is the first time discount? 20%. After discount 80%. Again how much percent discount? 40%. What is the 40% of 80? 32. 80 minus 32. 48%. After discount means it is selling price or cost price? Selling price. How much percent? 48%. But in place of 48%, already selling price is how much? 9,600. Means 48% value equal to how much? 9,600. Then 100% value 20,000. 48% or 9,600 means 100% value 20,000. Cost price 8,000, market price 20,000. What is the ratio? 2:5. Cost price 2 parts, market price 5 parts. How many parts are more? 3 parts. 3 upon market price is how much percent more than the cost price? How many parts are more? 3 parts. 3 upon 2 multiplied by 100. We are getting 150%. Next question number 74. Jar P contains grape juice, water and milk is in the ratio of 2:3:5. And jar Q contains a mixture of grape juice and milk in the ratio of 3:5. And if the quantity of grape juice in vessel P is equal to the quantity of grape juice in vessel Q or not? If the quantity of grape juice in vessel P, it is also equal to the quantity of grape juice in vessel Q. First of all, in jar P, or the grape juice is how many parts? 2 parts. Out of 10 parts are not? 2 by 10 of P value or not? 2 by 10 of P. That is grape juice in jar P or not? Next, what is the grape juice in jar Q? How many parts? 3 parts. Out of 8 parts. 3 by 8 of Q or not? Okay. These two are equal content or different content? Equal. 2 how many times? 5 or not? 5 3s are 15. Then P by Q equal to what is the ratio? 15:8 or not? 15:8. Means jar P is how many parts? 15 parts. Jar Q are 8 parts or not? What is the jar P ratio are given? 2:3:5. Total how many parts? 10 parts. 10 parts are equal to how much? 15 or not? 10 parts are equal to 15 means every 1 part are 1.5 or not? 10 parts are 15 means every 1 part is how much? 1.5. What is the condition here? The sum of the quantity of water in P and milk in Q is how much? 95. What is the water in first one? 3 parts or 4 parts? 3 parts. What is the 1 part value? 1.5. 3 parts value? 4.5 parts or not? That is water in first one or second one? First one. Next, milk in second one. What is the milk in second one? How many parts? 5 parts. But second one total quantity is how many parts? 8 parts or not? 8 parts are 8 means what is the 1 part? 1. 5 parts are 5. Means second one milk is how many parts? 5 parts. Together adding total how many parts? 9.5 parts are not? In place of 9.5 parts, how many liters are given? 95 liters are not? 9.5 parts, 95 liters. What is the question here? Find the initial quantity of vessel P. Vessel P means how many parts we need? 15 parts are not? 9.5 parts value 95. Then 15 parts is how much? 150 or not? 15 it is represents how many parts? 10 parts, then every one 1.5 node, then 3 parts value 4.5. Next second one 8 value 8 parts, then 5 parts value 5. Next question number 75. Train X having a length of 200 meters can crosses a platform having length of 150% more than that of train X in 35 seconds. What is the train X length? 200 meters. But platform compared to train X, how much percent or more? 150% more. What is the 150% of 200? 300. Already train length 200. 300 more means platform length 500. Platform length 500. When a train passes a platform means total distance are train length plus platform length. Train length 200, platform length 500. Total it is 700. Divide by 35. Then we are get the speed of the train X. Speed of the train X. 35 how many times? 20 times. It is 20 meter per second. But the second point, it also crosses another train Y whose length is 340 meters and runs in opposite direction or same direction? Opposite direction. And two train X with a speed of how much? 90 km per hour. Means second train means train Y speed is given how much? 90 km per hour. First of all, that is converted to meter per second. 90 into 5 by 18. 25 meter per second. Both are moving in opposite direction means what is the relative speed? 20 plus 25. 45. What is the question here? How much time are required? Time means written distance by speed. When a train passes another train means total distance are sum of the two train lengths. Already first train length 200, second train length 340. Total it is 540. 540 divided by 45. How many times? 12 times. Next question number 76. A bag contains 14 red balls, 16 orange balls and X pink balls. The probability of getting choose one orange ball out of the total balls in the bag is how much? 4 by 13. Then find the probability of one ball which can be either red or pink. First of all, how many orange balls are there? 16. Then we return 16 by total how many balls? 14 plus 16, 30. Pink balls are X. Then we return 30 plus X. That is equal to 4 by 13. 4 how many times? 4 times. 4 into 13. 52. 30 plus X equal to 52. Then X equal to how much? 22. Means number of pink balls is how much? 22. And what is the question here? Find the probability of getting one ball which can be either red or pink. Total how many balls are there? 52 balls. In that pink balls 22, red balls 14. 14 plus 22, 36. Actually we return 14 C1 or 22 C1. 14 plus 22, 36. 36 by 52 means 4 how many times? 9. 4 how many times? 13. Then answer 9 by 13. Next 77. R means plus or into? Plus. Next question number 77. Padikal wants to travel in the city. Bangalore booked the Ola car fare comprises of fixed charge and variable charge which varies according to the number of kilometers traveled. On the journey of 150 kilometers, Padikal charged 1530. Means 150 kilometer journey, how many rupees are charged? 1530. That is including fixed charge and also variable charge. Yes or no? Fixed charge plus variable charge. First of all, total how much amount are received? 1530. 1530. Suppose fixed charge I consider X rupees. Fixed charge are X rupees. Variable charge are Y rupees. Variable charge are per kilometer Y rupees. How many kilometers are traveled? 150. 150 kilometers variable charge is how much? 150 into Y. What is the left hand side? Total amount for 150 kilometers. What is the right hand side? Fixed charge plus variable charge of 150 kilometers plus equal or not? What is the total amount received? 1530. That is nothing but fixed value plus variable value or not? What is the fixed value? X rupees. Variable value every kilometer y rupees. 150 kilometers 150 y or not? Okay. Second one, how many kilometers? 280 kilometers. How many rupees are charged? 2700. Then 2700, it is also equal to total amount or not? Total amount means fixed value plus variable value or not? Fixed value is how much? X. Variable value, how many kilometers here? 280. Per kilometer variable value y rupees. 280 kilometers variable value 280 y or not? 280 y. First one 150 y. Second one 280 y. First one is how much? 150 y plus x rupees equal to how much? 1530. Second one, x plus 280 y equal to how much? 2700. And simplify these two, we are get the y value or not? Yes or no? What is the question here? Find the total amount charged for a distance of 180 kilometers. We required 180 kilometers value or not? 180 kilometers value means fixed value plus variable value of 180 kilometers or not? Fixed value means x. Variable value means 180 y or not? Equal to how much or not? If we required x plus 180 y means definitely we know the x value and also y value or not? First to simplify those two equations, we are get the y value or not? 1530 and 2700. What is the difference? 1170. What is the difference between 150 and 280? 130 y or not? 0 cancel, y equal to how much? 9 or not? Substitute the y value 9 either first equation or second equation. Substitute the y value in first equation. 150 into 9, 1350. Out of 1530, we are subtracting 1350. What is the remaining? 180 or not? 180 means per kilometer variable charge is how many rupees? 9 rupees. Fixed charge is how much? 180. Then we return x value is how much? 180 plus 180 into 9 or not? Total it is 180 how many times? 10 times or not? 180 one time, 180 9 times. Total 180 how many times? 10 times. What is the answer? 1800. Question number 78. The present age of B and H is how much? X plus 4 years and Y plus 6 years. The sum of the ages of B and H is how much? 64 years. And the respective age of B 12 years ago and age of H 2 years ago is 2:3. Find the present age of B. First of all, B 12 years back. How many parts? 2 parts are at present 2 parts plus 12 are. Yes or no? H 2 years ago how many parts? 3 parts. At present 3 parts plus 2 are. Okay. What is the sum of these two persons? 5 parts plus 14 are. That is equal to how many years? 64. 5 parts plus 14 equal to 64. Then every 1 part are 10 are. 1 part are 10. What is the question here? Present age of B. B present age means 2 parts plus 12. What is the answer? 32. Next question number 79. Anshan and Raja together can do a work in how many days? 18 days. Whereas Raja alone can do it in 72 days. If B alone can do the same work in how many days? 40 days. Then find the ratio of the efficiency of Anshan to that of B. First of all, A and B together. A and R together can complete the work in how many days? 18 days. Next, R alone in how many days? 72 days. B alone 40 days. What is the LCM? 360. 360. 18 how many times? 20 times or 72 how many times? 5 times. 40 how many times? 9 times or what is the question here? Ratio between efficiency of A and B or what is the A plus R efficiency? 20 parts. In that R efficiency 5 parts are obviously A efficiency 15 parts are B efficiency 9 parts. What is the ratio? 5:3. Next question number 80. The average weight of a group of 5 persons is 61 kgs. One of the member of the group married a girl, after which the average weight of the group including the bride means including that person, total 6 persons or 5 persons? 6 persons, but average are decreased by how much? 1.5. Including bride how many persons? 6 persons, but average are decreased by 1.5 means already average 61 decreased by 1.5. What is the remaining? 59 or 58? 59.5 or 6 into 59.5. It is sum of the how many persons? 6 persons. Next, if the average of the group except for the bride and bridegroom means those 2 persons are excluded, then average of the group is how much? 60. Excluded means remaining 4 persons. Average are 60. Okay. First one is including bride and bridegroom. Second one is without bride and bridegroom. Then difference we are get the sum of the ages of bride and bridegroom. But we required average of those 2 persons. 59.5 means it is 60 minus half. 6 into 60, 360. 6 into half, 3. Remaining value 357. 4 into 60, 240. What is the difference? 7, 1, 1. It is sum of the 2 persons. Average means divide by 2. What is the answer? 58.5. Caselet. Caselet. Question number 65. Next one, 65 to 70. 70 or 71? 70. 6 different stores published and sold different numbers of cards. One is published, another one sold. How many stores are there? 6. P, Q, R, S, T. Total how many stores? 6 or 7? 6. P, Q, R, S, T. The total number of cards published by stores P, Q, R and P, Q, R, S and T is how much? 2021. What is the ratio? 5:6:7:9:13. It is published value or sold value? Published. Next one, the total number of cards published by store U in 2021 is how much? 800. U total published value is how much? 800. And the total number of cards sold by stores QRST in 2021 is in the ratio of 6:5:7:16. Okay. And one more, the total number of cards sold by store Q is 75% of the cards sold. 75% of the published in that store. And next line, the total number of cards sold by store P is 70% of the which one? Published in 2021. The total number of cards sold by store S is how much? 420. S store sold value or published value? Sold value. What is the S sold value? 420 or not? But already we know S QRS sold value, QRST sold are in which ratio? 6:5:7:16 or not? Means 7 parts are how much? 420. Every 1 part 60. Then Q value 6 parts. How much? 360. Then R value 5 parts. 300. Next T value 16 parts. What are the 16 parts? 960. That is the sold value or published value? Sold value. Next, any other line are given? the total number of cards sold by store Q is 75% of the which one? Published in that store. But the store Q sold value 360. That is represents 75% of which one? Published or not. If published are 100%, sold value 75%. What is the ratio? 4:3 or not. 3 parts are 360, then 4 parts are 480 or not. Then Q published value is how much? 480. And already we know PQRST published ratio 5:6:7:9:13 means 6 parts value is how much? 480. 1 part 80, 5 parts 400, 7 parts 560, 9 parts 720, 13 parts 1040 or not. Then all the published values are getting a not. Next and last line, what is the last line argument? The respective ratio between the total number of cards sold by store P and U is given how much? 7:15. But the total number of cards sold by store P is 70% of the published in 2021. These 2 points are important. 70% of which one? Published. 70% of 400, 280. The 280 is represents how many parts? 7 parts. 7 parts are 280. 1 part are 40. 15 parts 600. We are get the published value and sold value of all the stores. What is the first question? What is the respective ratio in the total number of cards published by P and Q together to that of S and U together? Cards published by P and Q. I think without writing table also we are get the answer. Because published and sold are only published. Only published. But we don't know the U value or not. P and Q value అయితే చెప్పొచ్చు కానీ S and U అయితే చెప్పొచ్చా? No. Only possibility P and Q అవుతుంది. కానీ S and U possibility అవుతుందా? No. P and Q. What is the P and Q sum? 880. S and U sum 720 plus 800. 1520. One is 880, another one 1520 or not. 0 cancel. 8 how many times? 11. 8 how many times? 19 or not. What is the ratio? 11:19. Next question number 66. The total number of cards sold by store S is approximately what percentage of the total number of cards sold by all the stores together? What is the S sold value? 420. It is what percent of all the sold value or not? 280 plus 360. 640 or 540? 640. 640 plus 960. 1600 plus 300 plus 600. 2500 plus 420. 2920. 420 it is what percent of which one? 2920 multiplied by 100. 0 cancel. 42 by 292. More than 10% but less than 20%. Then answer 15. What is the 10%? 29.2. 20%? 58 something or not. Then answer must be in between 10 and 20. Next question number 67. The total number of cards published by store R and S together is approximately what percent more or less than the total number of published by store T and U or not? What the R and S published value? 560 plus 720. 1280. Next, another one. R, T and U. What is the T published value? 1040. U published value 800. Total it is 1840. 0 cancel. We required ratio or sum? Sorry, percentage less or percentage more? Percentage less. First of all, 4 how many times? 3, 2. 4 how many times? 4 4 the 4 6 the 32:46. How many parts are difference? 14 parts are not. 14 upon which one? 46 multiplied by 100. What is the 10%? 4.6. 30%? 13.8. It is nearby 30% or 40%? Nearby 30%. Which option? 10%, 4.6, 30%, 13.8 ಅನ್ನೋದು. Next question number 68. What is the average number of unsold cards in all the stores together ಅನ್ನೋದು. Unsold cards or sold cards? Unsold cards. Already we know the sold value ಅನ್ನೋದು. Okay. Are individually difference between 400 and 280. Individually 480 and 360 difference. It is also possible ಅನ್ನೋದು. Are already we know the sold value. First we need to identify the all the published value ಅನ್ನೋದು. Those two are subtracting, we are get the which one? Unsold value. 400 plus 480, 880 plus 720, 1600, 1600 plus 1600 ಅನ್ನೋದು. 560 plus 1040, 1600, 1600, 1600, 3200 plus 800, 4000 ಅನ್ನೋದು. What is the difference? End with 80 ಅನ್ನೋದು. Answer 180 ಅನ್ನೋದು. Average or sum? మనం ఏం కనుక్కున్నాము? Difference కనుక్కున్నాం. But we required average. 4000 and 2920. What is the difference? 1080. Divide by 6 or 7? 6. Divide by 6 means 6 how many times? 180. Next 69. If the total number of cards published by store A is 40% more than the total number of cards published by store T, and the total number of cards sold by store A is 250% more than the total number of cards sold by store R, then find the total number of unsold cards sold by store A. First, cards published by store A is how much percent more? 40% more than the which one? T value. What is the T value? 1040. Compared to this one, 40% more. Then we return 40% more means what is the 10%? 104. 40%, 416. 1040 plus 416. 1456. Next. And total number of cards sold by store A is 250% more than the which one? Store R. What is the store R? 300. Compared to 300, 250% more. What is the 250% of 300? 750. 300 plus 750. 1050. What is the question here? Unsold or sold? Unsold. What is the difference? 406. 406. Next question number 70. If the cost price of each card to the published in store P is 50 and the selling price each card in the same store is how much? 75. Then how much amount does he get in this transaction, either profit or loss? What is the published price? 50. What is the selling price? 75. Selling price means sold price. How many books are published? 400 into how much? 50. 400 into 50, 20,000. That is published value or selling value? Published value. Sold how many books? 280. Each one how many rupees? 75. 75 means it is 3/4 value. Okay. Or what is the 100 times value? 28,000. 50 times value? 14,000. Next, 25 times value? 7,000. 14,000 plus 7,000. 21,000. 21,000. That is selling price or cost price? Selling price. What is the cost price? 20,000. Selling price 21,000. Profit 1,000. 400 into 50, 280 into 75. 41. The given table shows the cumulative data of the total number of OTG cables, USB cables. Cumulative data. Cumulative data. First, A, B, C, D, E, F. What is the OTG value in store A? 350. But store B? 350 and 660 difference. 3, 10. Next, C, 660 and 950 difference. 290 or 190? 290. 950 and 1100 difference. 150 or cumulative means first one is first value. Okay. Last one is sum of the all the terms are not. First one is the first value, but last value is sum of all these values are not. Okay. Next, what is the E value? 280. Next, F value 320 or not? Yes or no? Next, USB. First one 380. Second one 290. 670 and 980 difference. 310. 980 and 1240. 260. 1240 and 1480. 240. 1480 and 1760. 280 or not? Next, UTP. What is the first value? 390. Second value 240 or not? Difference ఏ కదా రాయాల్సింది. 630 and 950 difference. 320. 950 1280. 330. 1280 1530. 250 or not? Next, 1530 1760. 230 or not? Next, STP. What is the first value? 330. Second value 340. Next one 290. Next one 340. Next 260. Next one 240 or not? What is the first question? What is the respective ratio in the total number of cables sold by store A to that of store D? Store A total cables means already we know store A total value is how much? Store A total value means all these values are adding or subtracting? Adding. Okay. 350 all are in 300 sir. 4 3s are 1200. 80 plus 90 170 plus 30 200 plus 50 250. Total it is 1450 or not? Next, in D 150 260 330 340 or not? 340 260 600 600 plus 330 930 plus 150 1080 or not? We required ratio or sum? Ratio. What is the answer? 145 is to 108. Next, question number 42. The total number of cables sold by the store B is approximately what percentage of the total number of cables sold by the store C and E together? First, B 310 plus 290 600. 240 plus 340 580 or 600 plus 580 1180 or that is B value. Again, C value 290 plus 310 600. 320 plus 290 610. 610 plus 600 1210 or 1210. Again, E value 240 plus 260 500. 280 plus 250 530. Total it is 1030 or okay. First B is how much? 1180. C and D together means 1210 plus 1030. 1210 plus 1030 means it is 2240 and 1180 is what percent of 2240 multiplied by 100. First 0 cancel. What is the 50% of 224? 112. It is closer to 50%. Then answer 52. What is the 50%? 112. Again, what is the difference? 6. What is the difference? 6. 6 means it is almost 3%. But less than 3% or more than 3%? Less than 3%. Then answer 52% or 55%? 52%. 43. The total number of OTG cables sold by store A and C together is what percentage more or less than the total number of USB cables sold by DEF together? OTG store A. What is the OTG store A? 350. Next store C 290. 350 plus 290 640. Next USB of DEF. What is the USB of DEF? 260, 240 and 280. Total it is 780. Percentage lesser. First, what is the difference? 64 and 78 difference. 14. 14 upon which one? 78 multiplied by 100. What is the 10% of 78? 20%. 15.6. Then less than 20% or not? Then answer 18 or not? Next question number 44. What is the difference between the average number of cars, average number of cables sold by stores A and C together to the average number of cables sold by B, D, F together? Average number of cables store A and C means A and C total value. For the A total value 1450, C total value 1210. Total it is 2670 by 60 or 70? 60. 2660 by 2. What is the value? 1330. Next BDF. What is the B value? 1180. D value 1080. Next F value 320 plus 280 600. 600 plus 470. It is 1070. And 1180 BDF 1180 1080 1070. 1100 plus 1000 2100 plus 1000 3100. 3100. 80 plus 80 160 plus 70 230. 3100 plus 230 330 by 300. Actually 3100 plus how much value? 230. It is 330. Divide by 3 means 1110. What is the difference? 220. Next 45. If the total number of cables sold by store G is 40% more than the total number of cables sold by store B, then the respective ratio in the OTG, UTP, USB and STP is 16:17:11:15. Find the total number of USB and STP. USB is how many parts? 11 parts. STP 15 parts. Total 26 parts. We require 26 parts. Then answer must be multiple of 13. First option 13 multiple. No. Second option. Yes or no? No. Third option. Yes sir. 13 5s are 65. Remaining 78. Multiple of 13 are. Next 741. No. 715. No. 13 5s are 65. Remaining 65. It is also 715. It is also 13 multiple. But in 728 and 715, which one is 2 multiple? Third option. Because we required 26 parts. First verify the 13 multiple. How many possibilities? 2 possibilities. Again we require 26 parts means it must be multiple of 2 or not. Then 715 it is not multiple of 2. Obviously answer 728. Next 46. What is the average number of cables sold by the stores B, D, E 30? Total it is 4360. Divide by 4. 1090. Question number 59. The below bar graph shows the 4 different numbers of trees planted on 6 different days. And what is the Monday apricot is how much? 680, 860, 500, 740. So on data are given. What is the first question? What is the respective ratio in the total number of almond trees planted on all the days together to that of coconut? Simply we required almond and coconut ratio. First almond, all the values are adding. 860 plus 480, 860 plus 480 plus 940. Just 1 minute. 940 and 860. 1800 plus 480. 2280. 2280 plus 620. 2900. 2900 plus 600. 3500 plus 880. 4380. 4380. Or the half of the 438. 219. Second option possible. Fourth option possible. Fifth also possible. Next, again we required coconut values. Coconut. Coconut means last one. 740 plus 860. 1600. 1600 plus 560. 2160 plus 700. 2860. 2860. 680 plus 720. 820 plus 680. 1500. Already 2860 plus 1500. Total it is 4360. We required 4380 and 4360 ratio. 0 0 cancel. Or the half of the 438? 219. Half of the 436? 218. Which option? Second option. Next question number 60. The total number of trees planted on Monday and Saturday together is approximately what percentage of the total number of trees planted on all the days together? Monday and Saturday. Monday total value and Saturday total value. First Monday total value means 860 plus 740. 1600. 1600 plus 500. 2100 plus 680. 2780. That is only Monday total value. Again Saturday total value. 760, 840. 1600. 880 and 820. 1700. Total it is 3300. Both are adding, it is 6080. 6080 is approximately what percent of total number of trees planted on all the days? చేస్తారా? చెప్పాలి. ఆల్ ద డేస్ వాల్యూస్ యాడ్ చేయాలా లేదా? క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 61. 60 మాట్లాడాలా? నెక్స్ట్ 61. The total number of trees planted on Monday and Tuesday together. Already Monday value we are getting how much? 2780. And Tuesday together is what percent more or less than the total number of trees planted Wednesday, Thursday, Friday together? అంటే ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్లో టోటల్ వాల్యూస్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసి పెట్టుకుంటే అదే డేటా మళ్ళీ ఈ క్వశ్చన్లో కూడా ఉపయోగపడుతుందా లేదా? ఓకే, దానివల్ల 2 మార్క్స్ అయితే ఖచ్చితంగా వస్తాయి. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 2 మార్క్స్ అయితే ఖచ్చితంగా వస్తాయి. అర్థం కాలే ఇంకా? ఎందుకు 2 మార్క్స్ ఖచ్చితంగా వస్తాయి? మనకున్న అంటే ఉన్న నాలెడ్జ్ మొత్తము ఆ 2 క్వశ్చన్స్ మీదే పెడతాము. మిగతా క్వశ్చన్స్ ఏమీ చేయం కదా. ఆ 2 క్వశ్చన్స్ వదిలేసి మిగతా పేపర్ చేసుకున్న బెటరే కదా మనకి. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 62. ఇఫ్ ద టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ట్రీస్ ప్లాంటెడ్, ఒక చిన్న ఎగ్జాంపుల్ లాస్ట్లో మాట్లాడుకుందాం. ఇఫ్ ద టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ట్రీస్ ప్లాంటెడ్ ఆన్ సండే ఈజ్ 60% మోర్ దాన్ ద టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ట్రీస్ ప్లాంటెడ్ ఆన్ Saturday. Means already we know the Saturday value. What is the Saturday value? 3300. 3300. The respective ratio in the number of trees, apricot, almond, and are in which ratio? 11:9:8:5. Total number of almond and coconut together on Sunday. First, almond is how many parts? 9 parts. Coconut 5 parts. 9 plus 5. 14. then answer must be 14 multiple or first option 7 multiple, no. Second option, yes. Third option, no. Fourth option, no. Fifth option, then answer second one. 63. What is the average number of almond trees planted on all the days together? All the almond values. Chestara? Next 64. What is the difference between the number of trees planted on Monday and Saturday together to that of Wednesday and Thursday together? Number of plants Monday and Saturday together to that of Wednesday and Thursday. ఇంత ముందు టోటల్ వాల్యూస్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసాం కదా, అది ఇక్కడ కూడా ఉపయోగపడుతుందా లేదా? నెక్స్ట్ 64. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ కంప్లీటెడా?